And we're back. Now, the first thing you'll notice is a brand new enemy, the Sky Titani, a fire version. And PK Freeze Beta. The good thing is it doesn't do much to me, because I thankfully leveled up. Woo! Now, you know, that's actually an enemy called Mrs. Lava. I don't want to dodge her for now. So, hey, I wonder what's here. Ooh, pencil rocket. Yay. Anyway, if you go up here, you'll find Double Jerky and 2 Big Mask Captains. Hey, you hear about Mr. Facade? Apparently he's undergoing a huge makeover change his image. Was he a girl now? Yeah, I heard about that. Apparently he's had some pretty hardcore changes to himself sound-wise. Sounds like we better go find that Neo Fats before he starts yelling at us even louder than before. This time he's got horns. Horns? You gotta be kidding me. You really gotta be kidding me. And they'll randomly attack you. I saw you. So they randomly attack you. Of course. Wow, I actually comboed him out of existence. Sweet. And yay, they're gone. Woohoo! Got Titanis. Ah, not woohoo. And PK Power Beta. Yeah, the place we're about to explore is pretty large, so you may have to stick with me on a couple videos. Ah, enemy. Yay, cup of life noodles, but boo, a Mrs. Lava. Ooh, Kumatori's actually gone quick. And yay, we solidified her. And yay, that was easy. And wow, nearly 1,000. And here we are, in the middle of a volcano. Now you notice the little bug things are actually enemies. So run. Ah, this is Lava back attacked. How dare she? Oh no, PK Fire Gamma! That's just to tell you how strong these enemies are. Man, that would have killed my whole team. Yay, Kumatori's 40. And Duster's pitifully 33. Yeah, go in here, you'll encounter more new enemies. The Scampering Mushrooms. Dang, they got horrible aim. That wasn't horrible, though. And that was a waste of a PK Power Beta. But oh well, they're dead. And Boney's level 41. Ah, crud, I hate this. And we got a saltwater gun backwards. Now then, let's get out of this tunnel. Let's having a one-on-one with the Firefly. Shoot. Yay, I comboed him out of existence. And those things deal 1,000 each. Run! Ah! Another new enemy! The Magman! I suggest killing this thing as soon as you see it. Ooh, Siren Beetle. Whew. And that enemy's annoying. You literally just do some kind of PK, some form of PK Fire Gamma on you. Oh yeah, you can see these things spawn from lightning, so yeah. And our defense down, Omega. Okay, now that thing's out of the way. It's actually more territory I haven't explored here. Okay. It would be a good time to use the random items I have. Okay. Checking here. And you'll get out. Man, am I an idiot. Okay. It's official. Those things are annoying. The main reason I skipped this room is because a farting tune. But more importantly, a magic butterfly. Yeah, you can come in here in order to get the one chance you get to use a butterfly. And another luxury banana. All these luxury bananas make me wonder. Ugh. Man, I hate those things. Hopefully I'll see you next time after I heal myself. Alright.